Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic computer organization. So let's get started. In a processor, which register holds the address of the next instruction to be fetched from memory? The correct answer is option B, program counter, PC. Which addressing mode is most suitable for accessing elements of an array where the index is stored in a register? The correct answer is option A, indexed addressing mode. What is the primary advantage of a write-back cache policy compared to write-through? The correct answer is option C. It reduces the number of write operations to the main memory. In computer arithmetic, what is the purpose of Booth's algorithm? The correct answer is option D. To multiply signed binary numbers in 2's complement notation. Which of the following describes cycle stealing in the context of DMA, direct memory access? The correct answer is option B. The DMA controller transfers one word of data by pausing the CPU for one bus cycle. A microprogrammed control unit is generally than a hardwired control unit. The correct answer is option A, slower but more flexible. Which memory mapping technique allows a block of main memory to be loaded into any block of the cache? The correct answer is option C, fully associative mapping. In a four-stage pipeline, fetch, decode, execute, write back, if a branch instruction is taken at the execute stage, how many instructions currently in the pipeline must typically be flushed? The correct answer is option D, 2. Which of the following is a characteristic of RISC, reduced instruction set computer, architecture? The correct answer is option B, fixed-length instructions and single-cycle execution for most instructions. What does the dirty bit in a cache line indicate? The correct answer is option A. The block in the cache has been modified and is inconsistent with main memory. In IEEE 754 single precision floating point format, how many bits are allocated for the exponent? The correct answer is option C, 8 bits. Memory mapped I/O uses ________________ for both memory and I/O devices. The correct answer is option D. The same address space and the same control signals. What is the purpose of the valid bit in a page table entry? The correct answer is option B. To indicate if the page is currently present in physical memory. Which of the following is the fastest type of memory in a computer system? The correct answer is option A, CPU registers. In a vertical microinstruction format, which of the following is true? The correct answer is option C. Control signals are encoded, requiring a decoder to activate specific lines. Which interrupt method requires the I/O device to provide the address of the interrupt service routine, ISR? The correct answer is option D, vectored interrupt. What is spatial locality in the context of memory access? The correct answer is option B. the tendency to access data elements that are stored in adjacent memory locations. Which bus is used to identify the specific memory location or I/O port for a data transfer? The correct answer is option A, address bus. In a zero-address instruction format, where are the operands typically located? The correct answer is option C, on the top of a stack. What is the main purpose of the instruction register, IR? The correct answer is option D, to hold the current instruction being decoded or executed. Which of the following is a disadvantage of hardwired control units? The correct answer is option B. It is difficult to modify or add new instructions once the hardware is built. The big-endian system stores the most significant byte of a word at underscore 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 underscore. The correct answer is option A, the lowest memory address. What is a data hazard in a pipeline? The correct answer is option C, when an instruction depends on the results of a previous instruction still in the pipeline. Which type of ROM can be erased by exposing it to strong ultraviolet light? The correct answer is option D, EPROM. In the context of computer buses, what is arbitration? The correct answer is option B, the process of deciding which device gets control of the bus when multiple devices request it. What is the effective address in relative addressing mode? The correct answer is option A, the sum of the program counter, PC, and the address field of the instruction. Which component is responsible for generating the timing and control signals for all operations in the computer? The correct answer is option C, control unit. How many select lines are required for a 16:1 multiplexer used within an ALU? The correct answer is option D, 4. Which of the following is not a phase of the instruction cycle? The correct answer is option B, interrupt latency. A hit ratio of 0.95 in a cache system implies that underscore 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 underscore. The correct answer is option A. 95% of memory requests are satisfied by the cache. Thank you for watching.